What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. Check this out. I've got the latest Tecno Pova Curve 2. This is the 5G model. I've also done a Tecno Pova Curve 1 as well. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. So this is Tecno's latest Curve smartphone, and apparently it's the one everyone's talking about. So we are going to find out what it's like in today's video. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts, and as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so upload any video you'll actually be notified. If you want to see any other videos with this smartphone, let me know in the comments. So in today's video, we'll check out the box, we'll check out what we get inside of the box, then we'll take a look at the design of the smartphone. I'll tell you some features and specifications, and then we'll take a look at the operating system to see what this Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G is like. So let's get started. The Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. This is the slimmest smartphone with the biggest battery, and I'm going to tell you all the information about it. Now, first of all, we'll take a look at the dimensions of the body. This is 6.4 millimeters thick. Yes, you heard me right, and you've got to watch the video to tell you how much mAh the battery is, even though if you can catch it, it says it on the body right there. It weighs 195 grams. It is a dual nano SIM card as well, and it's IP64 dust and water resistant. Coming to the beautiful display, you have a 6.78 inch AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate. That's 4500 nits peak. The resolution is 1208 times 2644 pixels. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and the drop resistance is up to 1.5 meters. This Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G runs on Android 16. Here are some of the features with this smartphone. It's running on Tecno's High OS operating system as well. It's got a chipset of a MediaTek Dimensity 7100. It's octa-core, and the GPU is a Mali G610 MC2. Although it looks like a triple lens camera setup, it has a 50 megapixel wide camera, and it has an auxiliary lens as well. It's got an LED flash, HDR and panorama, and it records 1440p at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second. Coming to the selfie camera, it's a 13 megapixel selfie camera, and it records video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Some of the other features with this phone, it's got Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.4, it has GPS, it's got a infrared port, it has FM radio as well, and it's a USB Type-C 2.0. It has a fingerprint sensor under the display as well. If you want to see how fast it is, make sure you check out the shorts videos. And finally, if you didn't read the text, which we have right here, this has a powerful and massive 8000 mAh battery, which gives you a 45 watt wired charger, which also gets inside the box. It also has bypass charging. You can get it in 3 different colors, which is silver, purple, which I have right here, in my opinion is the best color, and a titanium color as well. So a phone that is 7.4 millimeters thick, has an 8000 mAh battery. You're going to get all the performance you need when it comes to gaming or editing videos, or even just watching videos as well. And look how slim the smartphone is. That is the Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. Look at the design of the Tecno Pova Curve 2. Really nice. It's actually looks like it's see-through here, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Or maybe it is, I don't know. There's only one way to find out if you want to actually tear it down. But this is the purple colour. Now, as you know, it comes in 3 different colours, silver, purple and titanium. But did I choose the right colour? It has got like a text around the phone where it says power. It says Curve 5G, but it doesn't say Curve 2. Now this looks like a triple lens camera setup, as you saw earlier. It's a auxiliary lens. You got your chrome orange power button and the volume rockers. You've got your USB Type-C, dual SIM card tray, speakers and mics. A mic at the top. There's nothing on the other side. Nice and flush. Let's switch it on and let's see what this Curve 2 smartphone is like. So you got Tecno, powered by Android. You got your animation as well. Let's set this phone up and then we can check out the operating system to see what this phone is like. And here we have it. Look at that. Look at the screen to body ratio. Really nice. Got a punch hole camera. Here is the setup screen. Let's press go. English, United States. Has it got UK? Look how much languages you can actually choose from. Let's go back to the top where it says English. Terms of use. Set up another device. So you can actually set up your other Android device or iPhone, but we'll skip that. You can connect to Wi-Fi as well. Insert a SIM card. Now here are 3 of the security features you've got. Fingerprint, face unlock and password. We'll check out the fingerprint later in the video. I'll also do a shows to see how fast it is. So if you don't follow me, make sure you follow me on my social media to see how fast the fingerprint sensor is. So here we have all of the terms and conditions, recommended services. Let's press next. We'll disagree to that. Mobile cloner. System navigation, my favorite feature, where you can choose either the gesture or the 3 buttons, but we're going to stick with the gesture. You can either do vision, art or default. Which one shall I choose? We'll choose the vision art, as that's Tecno's theme. You always get a default app, and here we have it, High OS. That is the operating system with this Tecno Pova Curve 2. Get ready, based on Android 16, as you can see, and there we have it. Nice and easy to set up. We'll cancel that and look at the screen to body ratio. Really nice. Let's go through the operating system. So swapping it down from the left, you've got your notifications and shortcuts. Swiping it from the right, you've got your shortcuts as well, where you can actually add and delete any one you want. So you press the top button and it can actually go through what you have and also add more as well. So look how much you can add at the bottom. You've got quite a lot of shortcuts that you can actually add. 5G preferred, peak proof. Holding in the display will actually bring up your widgets, wallpaper, icon, style and settings, where you can actually change, re-icon and move the apps wherever you actually like, which is a good feature. You can change your wallpapers to whatever you like. But look at that. How nice is that? Screen to body ratio. Look how nice that screen is. Really nice. What do you think? So you can actually choose your own wallpaper or choose the default wallpapers however you want it. Let's go up, and if you swipe up, it'll bring up your menu, but you can actually put your apps on the home screen as well. You got phone P system apps, which is the clock, recorder, mobile cloner. You can actually add more as well, or change the names on it. Apps, system apps, Google apps as well. Some Google apps preloaded on there, but all the apps are in your menus. So you got loads of apps, High Translate, Tecno AI as well. So it's got quite a few of Google preloaded apps, but they're all in the Tecno theme. Now you can actually go to the default theme where all these app icons will change, but as this is the Tecno theme, it's actually made it as a black, orange, white and grey colour, if you know what I mean. So let's go into settings. Here are AI suggested apps. We'll swipe it up, go into settings, log into Tecno ID, Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. So this actually tells you the information about this phone. Tecno Pova Curve 2 is a 128 gig phone. You've got Tecno LK7K model number, Dimensity 7100 CPU. It is 8 gig of RAM with a 5 gig. Rear camera is 50 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel auxiliary lens. Front camera is a 13 megapixel. Battery is 8000 mAh. The first slim smartphone to have a 8000 mAh battery. 6.78 inch AMOLED display, Android 16, and you've got a few information about that. But this is actually running on iOS, which is Android 16, and it's Tecno's operating system from there. Swipe back does work, so you've got airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multi-device connection, so you can actually multi-device connect to it. Tecno AI, look at the Tecno AI features that you'll actually get: Ella Voice, Smart Touch, Call Assistant, Transaction Assistant, AI Writing Note, wallpaper and personalization, which you can actually choose, display and brightness. Now, as this is a really nice smartphone screen, you also have a high refresh rate as well, so you can actually choose standard or high. The highest one it can actually go to is 144 Hz refresh rate. I bet your flagship smartphone haven't got refresh rate like that, and this is a, I would say, budget to mid-range smartphone with loads of good features: sound and vibration, display and brightness, notification and status bar, password and security. Let's go to fingerprint and let's see how easy it is to set the fingerprint. The only thing I don't like, you got to wait 5 seconds. You got to make sure you read that, which we never do. If you want to read it, you can pause it. So let's put in the pattern, Allsortzz pattern, add fingerprint. It is an in-display fingerprint as well, but you have to place your finger or thumb on the screen, and then it will actually register it from there. It's not one of them swipe ones. So finish, add another one, which will go with my left thumb, and then we'll check out how fast this fingerprint sensor is. I actually prefer fingerprint sensors in the screen, in display. I don't like it on the side, where you can, some of them you can get on the side button fingerprint sensor. So let's see how fast it is. You get a animation there, not bad to be honest. If we want to do it quick, opens it up. There's a slight delay, I'm not gonna lie. The fingerprint sensor could be a little bit better. Let's open up the screen, look at the body screen to ratio. Quite decent to be honest. Not really fast, but overall it's decent. For the money you're gonna pay, it's not bad, not gonna lie. So I have seen better speed on other smartphones, but this is like a cheap smartphone that actually costs around £200, so it's not bad for what you actually get for it. You can actually choose face unlock, passwords as well. You got app management. You also have location, accessibility. Look at the two split screen as well. Tecno are actually good when it comes to split screen. It's a good feature to have. Very good battery and power saving. And this is the 8000 mAh battery. It will last you a long time. Storage, You can actually get it in a few different storage sizes as well, user and account system if you want to update your phone. But overall, it's not a bad phone. The screen to body ratio is really nice, and it feels really thin as well when it comes to holding it in your hand. Very thin. It's only 7.4 millimeters thick with an 8000 mAh battery, which means it's actually bigger than my iPhone 17 Pro, and it's really slim as well. But what do you think of the phone? If you want to see any other videos, let me know in the comments. I have done a top 10 features to show you the best features with this smartphone. And like I said, if you want to see any other videos, let me know in the comments. As you can tell, I missed that as well. It actually does say 8000 mAh high energy density battery. But I actually like the color on this, really nice. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again for another video.